Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Nehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. Today I am share my review of the documentary Jinnah. The documentary gave a better understand of the life version of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. It explained to know how he worked with honesty, determined, and strong leadership to achieve the dream of an experiment nation. One of the biggest lessons I learned is the success come through hard work, discipline, and never give up. Quaid-e-Azam remained committed to his mission even during difficult time. His courage and discipline inspire millions of people. The documentary also highlights the importance of unity, faith, and discipline, which are the guiding principle given by Quaid-e-Azam. They ways are still important today and can help us become better student and responsible citizens. I also learned that education, respect, and serving our country are instinct for building a bright future. Every young person should work hard, stay honest, and contribute positively to society. Overall, I found this documentary very educational and inspiring. Instead, my knowledge of Pakistan history and motivated me to follow the way of Quaid-e-Azam in my daily life. I recommend everyone to watch Jinnah because it teach valuable lesson about leadership, development, partners, and responsibility. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.